Finance Minister's bodyguard dies in fiery car crash in Trelawney. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A close protection officer assigned to the Minister of Finance, Dr. Nigel Clark, died in a fiery traffic accident in Trelawney on Thursday afternoon. He has been identified as Sergeant Marlon Simmet. Links 007 TV News understands that a car being driven by Mr. Simmet was hit by a truck and burst into flames in the vicinity of the Royalton Hotel in the northwestern Jamaica parish. Simmet was the sole occupant of the vehicle at the time of the accident. The Minister of Finance and Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, has described the late Sergeant Marlon Simmet as a treasured member of his family who exhibited kindness and generosity in an ambience. Simmet, a 49-year-old close protection officer to Clark, perished in a fiery motor vehicle crash in Trelawney on Thursday. In a tribute that was posted on Facebook on Friday, Clark expressed deep sadness at Simmet's passing, adding that he is still processing the tragedy. Simmet lost his life as a result of a crash along the Cooper's Pen Main Road. Reports are that shortly after 5:30 p.m., he was driving a Suzuki Grand Vitara motor vehicle, plotting a convoy with the Minister Clark heading in a western direction. On reaching a section of the roadway, the vehicle that was being driven by Mr. Simmet collided with a Honda CR-V motor car and then a motor truck, resulting in the Suzuki Vitara maneuvering off the road and resulting in it bursting into flames. The police were alerted and all three drivers of the motor vehicles were transported to hospital where Simmet was pronounced dead and the other drivers treated and released. The police high command has since expressed sadness to the family and friends of the late police sergeant. The force and chaplaincy unit have also been notified about the incident and is providing counseling to the family. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.